My name is Rebecca Beam. I'm the controller of the Maxwell Group and Senior Living Communities. We currently use Intact as our accounting software, and we also use AvidInvoice and AvidPay. The top 3 benefits that our company has experienced from automating, one is just efficiencies. I think the best part about the program is that the invoice goes directly from vendor into our Avid portal. So not only does that speed up the process in getting the invoice into our system, I think it leads into our second benefit, which is that we have some visibility into what invoices are out there. And we don't have these invoices that kind of seem to disappear over time and then reappear months later. And lastly, I think from the payment side, it has allowed us, one, not to cut 300 checks every week, but it gets us out of the cycle of, we can only do check runs on Thursday because we then need to FedEx some of those checks down to the campus on Friday. We have a little bit more flexibility in when we're submitting payments, so we can do it more frequently and we can do it a lot faster. It has allowed me to change and be a little bit more flexible again in the payment side of things, so we're not having to cut checks every Thursday. I'm not having to sit there and literally wait for 300 checks to come off the printer, hand those to our AP people, stuff checks, stamp them and mail them out. So I've been able to free up the time not only of those people in our office but the people at our campus level to do things that are just more value add type work rather than either just keying in invoices or stuffing checks. Also, I think for me personally, just not seeing the stacks of paper show up at our office every Friday morning is like the best thing that has happened for me personally. Because to be honest, it's given me a little bit of heartburn to see all that paper show up to our office. So I am very thankful for that. I absolutely cannot imagine going back to a paper-based process for accounts payable. Like I said, it would give me a heartburn to see all of those stacks and stacks of paper and just imagining that somebody was sitting there keying all those in when there was value add work that we could be doing. And then the idea of being able to scale this process and take on more communities and be able to grow and not be worried about the restrictions that we'd have from an AP side.